Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to be a public speaker. Now you can be a public speaker at live events, for example on design fairs, on design conferences, on design meetups and stuff like that, or you can be a public speaker on digital appearances, for example all of those things but just in digital forms. And if the previous years have taught us anything, is that majority of things have moved online just because of scarcity factors surrounding the world these days. So therefore being a public speaker can be either online or in person. If you're good at something, if you have something great to share which majority of people would appreciate, then by becoming a public speaker you really opened your possibilities to the world and to the design community. Make sure to target people who are really interested in what you are creating, same like we mentioned in the design meetups video, and you can check that video, it's in the playlist as well. So make sure when you're a public speaker to focus on something which is going to really help your audience either become better at the job they are doing by implementing your tips and techniques and how it helped you achieve greatness in this job, or by simply sharing some tips and techniques along the way which help you in freelancing, in business, in finding clients, in working with other designers and stuff like that. So make sure to be precise and thorough in the advice you're giving to other people. So when you're doing public speaking gigs, make sure to focus and make sure to not strain too much, because people want to receive value as fast as possible, because that's the way it is these days, especially with internet. People can simply go to YouTube and find advices there. So when they actually pay for the event, whether that's a live event in person or in digital event form, they simply want to get as much value as possible because they paid for it. In terms of how can you make money, event organizers can obviously pay you money to either come to that event or to host that event in a digital way, so you can become a public speaker that way, and you're going to be paid either by the amount of time you spend speaking or by the amount of value you're going to bring to that audience by simply providing the value you have accumulated over the years that you've been a designer. But definitely if you like speaking to people, if you like helping people like I do, then simply by becoming a public speaker you're going to really open a lot of different doors by simply appearing at these conferences, appearing at these meetups and speaking openly about your career, about your processes, about your wins and fails as well, so designers can learn from themselves. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.